Connect the power first. This is a 3-phase wire. That's the neutral. Then start the motor. Turn on the power. Open emergency stop. Then start the motor. Then turn off the motor. See if the motor is reversing. Rotate clockwise without change. If it is rotated counterclockwise, you need to exchange 2 of these 3 wires at will. Then turn on the motor again. After turning on the motor, foot switch. End. Then turn off the motor. This knob. It regulates the forward and backward speed. Then this is to adjust the machine head motor up and down. Before adjustment, loosen all 3 screws. Adjust up and down after loosening. After the adjustment is completed, tighten these 3 screws. This is adjusted left and right. Turn this on for each adjustment. Release it after adjustment. Tighten up again.